I just got a package from Chuwi and they've sent me their new Aupad tablet, 10.95-inch tablet. Let's check it out. This is nice. So we have the chargers. They sent me the Europe one as I'm currently based in Europe. Boom. In the second box, I think there's some documentation as well. So it's like a user manual, but it also has the pin. Underneath those, we have the cover. I like it so much when the companies add a cover to those products. Cool, we like it. So let's open the actual tablet. What I can see, it's aluminum alloy, which is a very nicely designed. So you can see the cameras right here. So this is a 10.95-inch tablet. It has a 2K resolution, which is 1920 by 1200. With the bezel, I can see it has an 88% kind of like a screen to body ratio and 16 by 10 aspect ratio, which I think is pretty decent. It is actually 8mm thin, so that's a decent thing. You can actually see it here as well. And it's like 493 grams, so, which is nice for like a usage in one hand. It is very decent, either like that or like that, obviously. So it has a processor of the Snapdragon 685 2.8 GHz, which I think for this mid-range tablet, it's a very decent processor which can run all your kind of work stuff, even some basic gaming. And it has the Qualcomm Adreno 610 GPU, so this is something which can definitely hold your kind of a basic gaming, your work, and also some other things which I'm going to show you. So one thing which I very much kind of like is that it has a 8 GB of RAM, which I think it should be a standard for mid-range tablets, and has a 128 gig of ROM storage. But that's not the end, because as you can see, there is this lovely slot which allows you to add expandable memory up to 512. Also has the 4G LTE support, so that means you can actually add a SIM card to it. We like it. So it has a Google Widevine L1, which is a secure way to watch your Amazon, Disney, Hulu. When you actually turn it on, it works pretty fast. You can obviously work it like that, or you can obviously work it like that, so it's kind of up to you. So it has 4 speakers, 1 and 2 here, and another 2 on the other side. The sound is very nice. That's very loud. So when it comes to the gaming, it is pretty decent. I wanted to test out the PUBG and the overall feeling of it, it's nice. You can easily play like PUBG or some other games with ease. So this tablet costs less than 200 euros, which is like 199, and it's often on a deal. Thanks a lot, Chuwi, for sending that Aupad to me so we can actually review on this channel. And what do you guys think? Nice one? And if you want to see more of those, more reviews of the techs and stuff like that, just like and follow for more.